elements of short story? Yes? I heard it? Yes. Conflict and character. Very good. Okay, any other? Setting. Very good. Yes. Theme and point of view. Very good. How about the next one? Image and symbol. Any other? Atmosphere. Atmosphere is actually part of the setting. So the mood, the atmosphere, the feeling. So any other? The plot. Very good. So what comprises our plot? Or what are the elements within our plot? Yes. Okay, very good class. Since that you have mastered the elements of short story, now, who among you loves shape? Or shape? Square, triangle, any one of you? Oblong is part of our shape. Very good. So, we also have numbers. Who among you loves numbers? 1, 2, 3, 0 is part of our number system. So who among you loves color? Anyone? Color. What is your favorite color? Violet. Any other color? Yes. How about you? Yellow. So all of us, okay, have our own favorite color, favorite number, favorite shape. But I know for sure you all love game. You want to have game today?
Yes.
Okay, in this class. So today we will have a game. And I want you to be grouped into two. This will be group 1 and you will be group 2. And I have here 4 different sizes of a shape. What is this shape?
Triangle.
Very good class. So in 2 minutes, you are to arrange this shape, and let's find out what shape will you or are you going to form. Are you ready, class?
Yes.
Okay, let's move in. Group 1 and group 2. So now, you can communicate or you can talk with your group mates. Let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on. What shape? How about this group? Group 1? What shape? Diamond. Are you sure? Square for group 1. How about group 2? How about this group? Look like How about group 2? Group 1 is already done. Where? So you may now go back to your proper class. A big hand for everyone. Group 1, find out square shape with 4 triangles. How about group 2? They also found out a square within those 4 triangles. So both groups got the correct answer, but because group 1 got got it earlier than Group 2, so they won with our game. So a big hand for Group 2. So now, after that, let's do some math. You love math? So let's try that. If we have, for example, we have here a single digit number 2. To 1, we will have 3. And 3 is, what do we call with the 3? It's the sum. Very good. It's the sum of a 2 single digit numbers. How about the next one? We have 3 plus 5. Anyone? 8. Very good plan. And the last one, we have, very good, we have 4 plus 6. So when we add 4 to 6, we'll have 10. So very good, class. You now know you seem to be very good in adding single digit numbers. Now let's try in art. In art, when we combine primary colors, what are the primary colors? We have red, blue, and yellow. When we combine them to one another, we'll have the secondary colors. So let's try. When we add red plus blue, we'll have violet. When we add blue to yellow, we'll have green. And when we add red to yellow, we have orange. Very good, class. But aside from math, adding single digit numbers and combining primary colors to have secondary colors, in science, we also have a combination of elements. So when we have the element symbol of Na, we have sodium added to Cl, that is chlorine. And we'll have, very good, we'll have sodium chloride, or we call it salt. So our salt is composed of 2 elements, sodium and chlorine. When we combine them, sodium chloride or the salt. How about H2 plus O? We'll have water or H2O. The hydrogen and oxygen. How about CO2? Carbon dioxide. We'll have carbon dioxide. And this is the air. This is the air that we breathe out, which the plants need in order to have photosynthesis. Okay, now, do you know, class, that in language, we also have this kind of combination. We also combine words, 2 or more words that often go together, and we call that combination of elements, combination of words. We actually call those Collocation. So the combination of two or more words that often go together is actually called collocation. So now we actually have 7 main types of collocation. And this will be our topic for today. Bring out your notebook, your ball pen, and take down notes. Of collocation is the combination of adverb and adjective. Now, who would like to give an example of adverb? Yes? Rarely. Very good. And added to an adjective. Who would like to give an adjective? Yes? Cheap. Cheap. Very good. So, when we add this word, an adverb rarely, and adjective cheap, we can have or we can locate or we can describe, we can easily express ourselves in different sentences or contexts. So who would like to use this in a sentence? Anyone? Yes? In a sentence? Please stand. Use it in a sentence. What is being said to be rarely cheap? Okay. Who would like to help him? Anyone? Okay, I will be the one. So they say that the fish roe today is rarely cheap. Who would like to read the example?
Yeah.
Who would like to read the example? Anyone? Yes. Our sentence is? Thank you. Fish roe today is rarely cheap. Now, fish roe here is what we call the egg of fish. The eggs of fish. So it is today, or it is described as cheap or rarely cheap today. So now we'll have the second, or who would like to give an example again of adverb? Raise your hand, class. Yes. We'll have richly. Add an adjective. Decorated. Decorated. Who would like to use in a sentence our adverb richly and adjective decorated? Anyone? Use it in a sentence. Try. Who would like to try? Come on. For example, our classroom. We decorated with curtain, with different pictures, boards. What can you say about the classroom? About the classroom? Yes. Okay, very good. Our classroom is so everyone kindly read our sentence. Our classroom is richly decorated. Very good, class. So another example would be contented. Contentedly. Would like to add an adjective? Let's say happy. Happy, and we have the sentence, the girl wanted after her marriage Okay, who would like to read our sentence? Yes. The girl. Happy, very good. So any questions from our first type? Adverb plus adjective. So let's now proceed with I heard it. Adjective plus noun. From the body of the ring. I mean the hula. We have noun. So our second type of collocation is adjective plus noun. So who would like to give an example? Happy. Yes? Regular. Regular is your adjective and the noun is? Exercise. Exercise. Okay, let's erase first. Okay, use it in a sentence. Who would like to use this regular as our adjective and exercise as our noun in a sentence? Anyone here? Yes, Shini. Okay, very good. Every Friday is our okay, the sentence that Shini gave was every Friday is our regular exercise. So another example would be soft. Soft would be our adjective. Noun will be bud. So who would like to use soft plus bud in a sentence? Bud, the buzz of the bee. Have you already heard the buzz of the bee? So we would like to use soft and bud. The buzz in a sentence. I have. Anyone? I have. Please stand. I have. What did you say? Please stand. I have heard a soft. Very good. I have or we have heard a soft bud. I have heard a soft bud. Okay, any other example? Yes. Give me an adjective. How about your assignment? What can you say about your assignment? Or let's have noun. Or what can you say about our assignment or your assignment? Joshua. Please stand. What can you say about your assignment? Because adjective describes our noun, right? The noun assignment. So describe. What can you say about your assignment? Very easy. Okay, good. So let's have easy. So now, who would like to use it in a sentence? Anyone? Yes. Any other hand? Aside from them? Use it in a sentence. Come on. Please stand. Oh, who would like to help her? Yes. Okay, yes.
Sir Joseph, give
Sir Joseph gives E.T. Oh, very good. Sir Joseph gives E.T. assignment. So any question from our second type of collocation? Adjective plus noun. So what will be, any idea? Our third type. Noun plus noun. Very good class. So you really have reviewed your lesson. Now, we have noun plus noun. Who can give me an example of noun and another noun?
Round of applause.
Yes?
Garage sale.
Garage plus sale. So everybody say garage.
Garage.
So it is pronounced as garage.
Garage.
Not garage. It is garage.
Garage.
Plus sale. So who would like to use this one or this word in a sentence? Anyone? Use it in a sentence. Garage sale. You can do it. Come on. Please stand. I saw. Sale. Where? In Manila. Let's say in Manila. So, can you read your example? Okay, very good. So, she saw a garage sale in Manila. Another example. Let's try filled plus trip. So we'd like to use filled and trip in a sentence. Would like to try? Come on. Oh, we have. Good morning. So why are you late? I'm feeling better. Thank you. So, our example, we have a field. We have a field trip tomorrow. We have a field trip tomorrow. Okay, any other example of a noun? Who'd like to give me an example of a noun? Round of applause. Plus applause. Round plus applause. So when we use it in a sentence, yes. Give her a round. Oh. So let's give her a round of applause. Okay. Now let's move with our fourth type of connotation. What is the fourth type? Noun plus verb. We have another noun. And the verb. So we have here noun plus verb. So another example of a noun. Anyone? Rain. Let's try rain. The verb? Okay, falling. So who'd like to give a sentence using our noun? Rain, and what is our verb? Falling. Was falling. Yes. Use it in a sentence. Come on. Yes. Would like to help him? Okay.
The rain was falling.
Down. The rain.
The rain was falling at our plane.
The rain was falling and
Our plane.
our plane. Okay, very good. Actually, class, we have two sets of the fourth type of collocation here. The first noun. Where is our first noun? Anyone? Rain. Very good, class. How about the verb? Raise your hand if you want. Okay. What's falling? Now, the second step. Who would like to give me the first or the second noun? Yes. The noun only. Only the noun. Our, any other answer? Yes. Our plane? The noun only. Yes, verb. Plane, very good. So this is our second noun. How about our second verb? Yes. Took or took off. But because we're talking about verb, so we have two. So now we have two examples already using our noun rain and verb was falling, and using plane and then took off. So now, who would like to give another example? Another example? Yes. Bird. Okay, your noun will be bird. How about give me a verb? Listen and sure. Cheer. So noun, our noun is bird, and our verb is cheer. Now we'd like to give a sentence using bird as our noun and verb as our church. Yes. The bird. The bird. Started to cheer. That could do. Very good. So now, let's proceed with the fifth type of collocation. What is our fifth type of collocation? Yes.
Verb plus noun.
Verb plus noun. Very good. But I have prepared. For the fifth set, we have So, just like the fourth one, but now we'll have the verb first, followed by a noun. So give me a verb. Raise your hand if you want to answer. So I'll be the one to give examples. So my verb will be borrow. And my noun is book. So who would like to help me to give example using our verb borrowed and noun book? Yes. Come on. Please stand.
I borrowed a book with my
I borrowed book and
library without the librarian.
that's good too. Okay, read your example again, your sentence.
I borrowed books in the library.
Very good. I borrowed books in the library. Now, it's your turn. Give me a verb and a noun. Anyone?
Borrow.
Committee. Okay, let's have committee. Committing what? Committing suicide. Oh, let's have that. Are you planning to commit suicide? Oh, not yet. Not yet. But committing suicide is not a good issue. So, since our life is or was given by God, so we have to treasure. No matter what religion we belong with, we have to treasure. We have to take care. We have to love our lives. Because we cannot enjoy the earth, we cannot enjoy what we have today if we don't have life. So do not commit suicide. Now, let's proceed with the example. Give me an okay. Give me an example. I thought you were jailed because of that, committing suicide. So the example is the officer was jailed Okay, class. Who would like to read the example? Yes. Okay, thank you. The officer was jailed for committing suicide. This is grammatically correct. This sentence is grammatically correct. However, there is something wrong with its meaning. Look, the officer was jailed. For example, I am the officer. And who committed suicide? Officer. So I killed myself. Now, I killed myself, yet I will still be jailed. Will I still be jailed if I commit myself or if I killed myself? So let's change our noun with murder. Murder. Murder, right? Although the example given was correct, and it is grammatically correct, but the meaning is incorrect. Because the officer was already dead. He will still be jailed. No, not anymore, right? So, he was jailed because he committed murder. He killed someone else. Okay, so give me another example. Give me another example. Verb plus noun. Anyone? Read? Okay, let's try. Read plus. Now, proceed with the sixth type of collocation. Anyone? Raise your hand. Okay. Verb plus expression. Very good, class. We'll have the sixth one. Verb plus expression with
Meron pang siya.
So, let's try this example. Okay, let's have the example. We have the verb. What is our verb? Swam. Everybody say swam. And the expression with preposition we have cross the river. Now give me an example of a sentence having the verb swam and expression with preposition across the river. Anyone? Yes. Would you like to try to give a sentence?
Lucky. Across the river.
The dog swam. Okay, very good. The duck swam across the river. So any other example from the body? How about the people at the back? Yes. Give me a verb. Come on, let's try. Have you tried to jump, to walk? Okay, so let's have this example. Jump as our verb. Now give me an expression with preposition. Jump across the river. Let's try into the pool. Give me a sentence or use verb jump and expression with preposition into the pool in a sentence. Come on. Any other hands aside from these two ladies? Yes. Okay. Let's say after the party. After the party, he jumped. He jumped. Very good. So after the party, he jumped into the pool. Now let's proceed with our seven or the last type of collocation. So let's try. I heard it already. What's the seventh type? So we have verb, Okay, so if you just say place, very good, place, but enunciate it very well, pronounce it very well. To make it a noun, in its past tense form, place. Everybody say place. That's the adverb. Okay, I have a knock knock. Knock knock. Place gently. Who? Place it to me gently. So now let's proceed with our sentence. Oh, give me an example. Yes. Wali. Sir, bawi na ako. Again. Place. Keep. On the he placed his feet gently on the table. Very good. And any other example? Last example. So I'll give you the last example. Explain clearly. So everyone, please read the sentence. The lesson was explained clearly. Right? So that's an example of the 7 types of collocation, verb and adverb. And that concludes our lesson for today. Did you learn something? Yes! Did you enjoy our activity? Yes! Did you enjoy our discussion? Yes! Okay, again, collocation are combination of words or 2 or more words that often go together. Okay, give us just a moment. And bring out 1/4 sheet of paper. Let's have the last activity. This will be short. Come on, bring out 1/4